How to create meeting link in Microsoft Teams. So if you want to create meeting link in Microsoft Teams, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Microsoft Teams application. Once you open up your Microsoft Teams, now you just need to simply go with the left side, upper left, which has that calendar option. Under calendar, you can go with new meeting, which is on the top right. And from here, you can enter the title, the name, email, and the phone number, the date, the time, the starting date, and the ending date of the meeting or the time. And if you want to repeat that, you can just go with repeat, or if you don't want it to repeat, then click on don't repeat. And you can add the location, add some details. So enter the title and choose the selected persons or participants, or enter the names and then the date and location. And after that, once you enter all of the information, here on the right side, you can see who can bypass the lobby. You can choose people who invented, or everyone, or only me. And who can present, you can choose everyone or only me. Once you've done with it, now you need to go with the send option, which is on the top right, or you can go with save, which is on the top right. Now the meeting has been created, right? You can go with copy, which is right here, and once you click on copy, then the meeting link will be copied, and you can just go back and then send that meeting link to your friends. You can go with chats, which is here on the left side, and then you can go with the person. If you have your friends, you can just simply go with the chat and then you can paste the link right there. And after that, hit the enter, and that's it. Now if the other person clicks on this link, then they will join the meeting on Teams. So that's how you can create a meeting link in Microsoft Teams. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.